Let's continue from writing initiate by parameters. So let's copy this. This will be U64, and yeah, in Rust, I believe we cannot define time like only one time. Yeah, this returns bloom and error, and in the Rust way, it will be same like this using result. Just so for the error, we will return just error, getting error elements, and error, getting error hash. Yeah, and then yeah, we save the mutex like using we will create a struct later as before. So mutex dot let's skip 0 for now as before. Yeah, semicolon. Let's remove this. The size will be yeah, our size. We don't have to even like redefine the size. I redefine the hash. Only the bits we can redefine or define it. This will be a vector which will call this to get a size. So wait, from size. Uh, let's see what was it. Yeah, with capacity. Capacity will be like get buff size. And cast it to use size. And the size will be this the from the function param. Yeah, semicolon. And type will be yeah, type will be uh, yeah, type will be in for later as we go on. As we create a bloom structure. So let's create it. Yeah, let's reuse this code. So we have hash functions which we will pass to this. We will have mutex, r mutex. Let's call this r mutex for consistency. We will rethink naming later. And size will be this. And we can return this inside result. We don't have to explicitly use return keyword. It will be automatically used. Then this is last statement. Okay, let's use semicolon. Yeah, let's something wrong. Try to okay, yeah, we need to return inside okay. So yeah, initiate parameters is done. And let's implement the add function for the bloom. So we'll start implementing. for bloom, implement bloom, and we'll start implementing add. Let's copy this. So fn, this will be self, I believe. Yeah, and yeah, self will be here actually. This will be first parameter function, and data will be byte array of byte. You can use slice of byte for now. Yeah, and we need to define this function. I think, yeah, we can import it in. Yeah, we need to define it here. Let's see what it has. Yeah, we'll go back to the hash file and implement this. So fn data will be, yeah, byte array. Let's keep it slice for now. If we return, yeah, so we return an array with length 4. So let's see if we can return duet with size 4. I believe this is the syntax. Let's see. Okay, no, let's use vector. Let's rethink. Let's do a quick search. Yeah, let's try this. Yeah, the point, and yeah, this seems working. Okay, now we need to call more, which returns a tuple. So this looks fine. To extract a tuple, we can use this syntax, and yeah, this should be fine. More accepts, yeah, slice of array, and then we'll make a vector. So which will be, we will call it buffer, and vector with capacity. Capacity will be length of data. So data dot length, I believe, yeah, n plus 1. Yeah, I think we need to just clone the data into buffer. So let's see. Yeah, we research it again later. Okay, we have defined single here. Okay, we just add this and add data dot length. Let's again tuple and yeah, return this. Let's see. Yeah, H1 is type U64, but we are returning U8. Let's see. Yeah, we need to return U64. Okay, we cannot. Let's see, we can own it. Um, yeah, this should be fine. Okay, and we will to pass the reference. We are cloning it so we can change the parameters. Okay, buffer is unmutable. Let's see. Yeah. So generate multi-hash is done. In next video we will like continue add function.